How to excel in life. 3 master skills you must have. Being successful in life is the most amazing experience in one's life. All of us truly desire success at different stages of our life. But the missing link is that there are certain skills or attributes one needs to possess in order to attain success in life. Hey! My name is Gson Ebuka and you're welcome to my channel. Please take your time to subscribe here and turn on the notification bell for updates once I release new videos. Today, we will be looking at the most important skills you need to possess in order to excel in life. And here they are. Number 1 skill you need to excel in life, from my own observation, is negotiation skills. Negotiation skills. This is number 1 skill I believe everyone that really wants to be successful in life must possess. Everything in life is all about negotiations. Whether you're rich, poor, black or white, we all are constantly negotiating either on our skills, deals, relationships, or something. Negotiation is one key skill regardless of your industry or height. Every human needs it. Negotiation is involved in everything we do every day, and your ability to master this skill will definitely turn around every other thing for your good. In brief, what is negotiation? Negotiation is a strategic discussion that resolves an issue in a way that both parties find acceptance. In any negotiation process, every party tries to persuade the other to agree with his or her point of view. But at the end of the day, there's usually mutual understanding that benefits the both parties. So if you have good negotiation skill, then perhaps you're on your highway to access greater things that life have to offer. Number 2 skill that you need today to excel in life is long-term vision. Long-term vision. Vision is the ability to have the full picture of a plan or a future in one's mind until it manifests. Every successful person venture today started with this powerful ability called vision that propels one's passion and pursuit. In order to become successful in life, you need a vision, and most importantly, the zeal to pursue them until that vision becomes a reality. The problem with becoming successful in life is that far too many people can't see beyond their present situations. And if that present situations involve hard work or pain, then their natural reaction is to quit because they can't see beyond the pain. This is because they don't have the long-term vision that sum up all the reasons why the hard work they are putting in now is nothing compared to the possibility of their long-term reality. So on your journey to becoming successful today, you need a long-term vision. Number 3 skill you need today to excel as a successful person is initiatives. Initiatives. Taking initiative is also something that successful people do anytime, anywhere. Every great thing started as an initiative in the mind of someone. Nothing happens without first starting out as an initiative, and nobody is going to do it for you. If you have any idea, a vision or dream in your head, nothing can happen unless you decide to take the initiative and start working towards it today. Taking immediate action on any of your initiative is one of the best skills we learn, will differentiate you among the contemporaries and set you up for success in any given career, project or lifestyle you set out to imbibe. Therefore, always prompt yourself to take action wherever an idea or initiative drops in your mind, regardless of your fear or limitation. By so doing, you will be steps ahead of those who are not taking steps on their own initiatives. Now I have bonus tips for you. Number 4 bonus tip for you today is leadership. Leadership. The level of your success in life is dependent on how many people who are willing to work with you or trust their life in your vision. Your ability to work with them until the ultimate goal, which is your dream, is achieved requires leadership. Therefore, leadership skill is very important when it comes to getting yourself ready for success in life. You must lead others just as the same way you lead yourself to take action on your dreams or your initiative.